guys. So I had a suggestion from one of my viewers about making a BLT sandwich. Becki-licious here. So I happen to have some leftover bacon, and one of my viewers suggested maybe making a BLT, but adding some avocado and some onion. And I thought, well, that sounds like a Cadillac BLT to me, which sounds amazing. So I thought, you know what? Let's do it. One of my viewers is going to give me a suggestion. I'm going to try it. So let's go ahead and do it. So the key to a good BLT, plenty of bacon. You've got to have at least 6 pieces. I mean, that's just, come on. So I just put my 6th piece in there. So we're going to get the bacon all done up and then move to the next spot. Ooh, this is going to be a yummy lunch. I'm so excited. All right, so we've got our lettuce ready. We've already got our avocado cut up. We're going to go ahead and do red onion. And I'm going to go ahead and do our tomato, get a couple of slices of tomato up for us. And I've got our sourdough is in the toaster. And we'll be ready to get this puppy all put together here real quick. I'm excited. Okay, a couple of pretty looking tomatoes right there. All right. All right, let's build this Cadillac BLT, okay? We've got our bacon. We've got our sourdough that's already all toasted up. You gotta have your mayonnaise. There's just no way around that. For show. All the yumminess. All the yumminess. The only thing about sourdough is it gets all the holes in it when it bakes. But that's okay. That's the worst part of our life, then we're in business. All right, so like I said, we're doing 6 pieces of bacon. I believe there is actually 7 on here, so somebody might get an extra piece of bacon. I'm not naming any names, but you can see somebody's over there waiting patiently. Oh. And then one more. Okay, so we've got our bacon. We're gonna put on those pretty little slices. Let's get our yummy avocado. I absolutely adore avocado. It's my favorite. But they are slippery little suckers, that's for sure. All right, so we got the avocado in there. And let's put this yummy red onion. Ooh. Yeah, this is going to be one big old stacked sandwich. And let me get that before my dogs grab it. Dogs are not allowed to have onion. That's a no-no. All right, and now we are going to put our lettuce on. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's build this. One just does not want to stay on. Okay. So since this is so stacked, we're taking our thick toothpicks to kind of help keep them in place. It's always helpful. Okay. Then comes the cut, a little bit of the saw through, and then the guillotine approach. Straight through. Perfection. All right. So we're going to get this plated up and everything cleaned up, and then it's time to eat some lunch. That's a yummy looking lunch, isn't it? This is a great idea. See, I love when my viewers give me great ideas like that. Just another reason why you should like and subscribe, share with your friends, click on the link tree for some other fun stuff. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had a good time. I know I did. And now I'm looking forward to eating some good lunch. All right, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.